Superb space, superb practicality. Let's explore the smart features of the luggage compartment. The automatic roller cover opens and closes with the tailgate. You can also easily remove it. Use the multifunction pocket to store smaller items or hang a bag on the hook. Secure the boot floor with the hook. And stow away the roller cover and the multifunction pocket underneath. Use the cargo divider to secure any item in place. No matter how big or small. Rear seats can be easily folded from the boot, so you can load even more. The net system comes in handy to keep smaller items in place. Everything has its place and stays there. We wish you a pleasant drive in your new Škoda.